when we look at all the great economic paradigm shifts all through history, they share a common denominator. At a certain moment of time, three defining technologies that are essential for economic life emerge and converge to create what we call in engineering a general purpose technology platform, a new infrastructure for completely reorganizing economic life. What are those three defining technologies? New forms of communication to more efficiently manage the economic activity. New sources of energy to more efficiently power the economic activity. New modes of transportation to more efficiently move the economic activity. We started off the second industrial revolution in 1905 with 3% aggregate energy efficiency on that platform of communication, energy, and transport. The US got up to 13% aggregate energy efficiency in the 1990s, and we've never moved since. Japan led the world at 22% and hasn't moved since the 1990s. No one's moving. When you hear all this debate on TV, why is productivity lagging? And the economists don't know because they don't study thermodynamics. If you look at the year-to-year totals, aggregate efficiency has stopped everywhere. And if you're on that old platform, it doesn't make any difference if you're China or the United States, you can't get any more out of that platform. If we digitalize communication, energy, and transport and create an Internet of Things platform over the next 25 years with the help of every industry in this room, we can move from 13% aggregate energy efficiency, our global economists and my team have run the numbers, we can go to 40%. Once we put in this smart system, how do people make a living? Do we just give people an income and they just sit around their whole life? Of course not. There's always something to do. We're going to see a migration of employment from the more and more automated capitalist market to the civil society, the not-for-profit sector, the social economy. In 1995, in that book, End of Work, I said that would happen eventually. Because this sector requires humans, not machines. It's social capital, not market capital. Health, education, taking care of our little children in child care centers, assisted living for the elderly, culture, arts. There's all sorts of activity requiring humans with humans that's absolutely essential to our survival. We're already seeing a migration to this system. The nonprofit sector is growing by 42% in revenue in the 40 countries surveyed, and GDP is growing at 16%. If we can digitalize the entire economy and value chain so that we can have real-time data coming from everywhere, our natural environment, our economic environment, and that data can be fed into our communication, energy, and transport and logistics internet. It means every business, every homeowner, every family, every neighborhood can take their value chain and they can watch the data coming through and they can use the analytics and algorithms to dramatically increase their aggregate efficiencies, their productivity, and reduce their marginal cost. Heading toward near zero marginal cost is the ultimate benchmark for ecological stewardship because it means we're so efficient, we use less resources and we can optimize their use. Less waste, more optimum use. Then if what we do produce in near zero marginal cost in the capitalist market, then we can turn it over to the sharing economy, some of it, and we share our vehicles, share our homes, share our cars, let our children share their toys, which they're doing. More of us using less of the Earth's resources in a circular economy.